The people of South Africa must swallow what they've decided to chew. And they decided to chew 40% of the ANC. So why should you field a presidential candidate for what? That's what they said they want. Why do they go and make decisions and they hope someone is going to rescue them from the other side? It's their own decision. They chose load shedding. They chose Ramaphosa. They chose the highest level of unemployment. They chose racism. That's what they chose.
Stick with me as I unfold the story for you. Now, in the words of Malema, this man has literally told South Africans to lay in the bed that they created because, I mean, when they decided to vote, they decided that they will go with the white man instead of a black man.
Ramaphosa's government is leading to economic damage. With such high unemployment, with the economy collapsing, with businesses closing, with electricity not being provided, you want to turn around and blame the EFF for that? No, man. No. It's going to become worse if we don't stop Ramaphosa now. But where are the doomsayers? All of those clever blacks, fools masquerading as clever people. Sellouts always masquerade as if they are concerned, like Mangosuthu did. They thought we were bluffing when we announced this. Every time we speak, there is something, some narrative driven to want to undermine what we are saying. It's myopic. People with a chicken view, they only see here. We've got the giraffe view. We can see the future. Enough is enough. That's why we took this decision to put our bodies on the streets. We're not scared of them. We will defend the defenseless masses of our people with our bodies. Every progressive force will put his or her body on the streets like he did with Marikana. Let him do it. Like the apartheid government did with Sharpeville. Let history repeat itself. And that will be a confirmation of what we warned you about, that there will be an unled revolution in South Africa. No one can stop it. No army can stop it. No police can stop it. Who can stop this? Ramaphosa can stop it by stepping down. Agelebujoru are led by fools. You think I'm insulting them? We are not going to succumb to the oligarchy. We are not going to succumb to the cartel. We are not going to succumb to white monopoly capital. There is no fuel tanker that will be on the road if they know what is safe for them. Thank you.
Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Natskunda Esther. I appreciate my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And the old ones that have been with me, I love you guys so much. Now, if you like my content, please like, comment, and share. And most importantly, comment what you think about the situation where South Africa is right now. Now, today is the 18th of July, 2024, and it is a very big day in South Africa, which is Mandela Day. Now, every black person, I suggest, in the world should be knowledgeable about Tata Nelson Madiba Mandela, who has been a very strong figure from day one when he entered politics until today. In his death, he is still influencing a lot of masses around the globe, including my country, Uganda, where we have the biggest stadium named after him. So not only in South Africa that he is celebrated, us as African people, we do hold him to a very high standard. Now, today being his day, and we have just seen the coalition between the ANC and the DA, that's the politics, the Black Party and the White Party in South Africa. I pose a question to South Africans, and black people in general. Do you think South Africa is in right hands right now? And I don't think it's even a coincidence that just 1 month in, as Ramaphosa is re-elected as the president of South Africa, but deciding to side with the white people, do you think it makes sense? Do you think right now, as we remember Mandela, we are remembering him for a good cause? Do you think Madiba would be happy to see such a coalition between a white and black man coming together in this day and age in 2024? Because in the beginning, this is what he fought for. He fought for black people freedom. He fought for South Africa to be a black people place. That is what it is, a black people place for black people. Now, I want to remind you guys to look closely how EFF, Malema, is working with former President Jacob Zuma. Personally, in my experience as a fake South African, I can say that with pride because South Africa raised me. But as a fake South African, I don't know what the future holds for me in South Africa now that the DA is having a lot of power into black issues, black people issues. Reality is, for all this time, the president had a mission of depowering the whites in South Africa. We were looking at governments that, of course, they were not perfect. Ramaphosa has not been perfect. I mean, Zuma took South Africa into an entire state capture where he was selling the country to the Indians. But I mean, they were trying to depower the white man. But now he is in position. And Malema, well, he came out very strongly. And I want to show you the picture in Parliament when they are talking about the issues. I must say, of course, with that singing, we have to give it to South Africans for being that extremely talented. I mean, these are politicians, but you would bet it's a choir. But ladies and gentlemen, I looked and listened to Malema's words when he was saying these words deep down from his heart. He told South Africans, you chose a white man. You chose a white man over me who wanted to unite Africa. You chose a white man over me who had dreams of getting our land back, of allowing our African brothers and sisters to come so that we can build Africa together. You decided to choose a white man who is not only your colonizer, but he is segregating you in your country. Those are very strong words from Julius Malema. But if you ask me, I really love the EFF. I mean, looking at what Kenyan Gen Zs are doing in Kenya, South Africa, I hold South Africans on a very high level when it comes to change. When they want change, they will do anything. But looks like South African people are happy with the decisions that they made of choosing whites over black leaders. Well, go ahead and tell me in the comment section what you think. But for me to you, if it was better in the days of discrimination than now, does that mean that black South Africans willingly chose a white man to come and lead them again? Go down in the comment section and let me know what you think. Again, if you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out when I upload a video. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.